Do you know how essential vitamins are for your health? Let's dive in. Vitamins, these crucial micronutrients, are like the unsung heroes of our bodies. They quietly play their part in various bodily processes, ensuring everything runs smoothly. There are two broad categories of vitamins: fat-soluble and water-soluble. Fat-soluble vitamins include A, D, E, and K, and they're stored in the body's fat tissues. On the other hand, water-soluble vitamins, like vitamin C and the B-complex vitamins, need to be replenished regularly as they're flushed out of our system. These vitamins have distinct roles, from supporting our immune function and energy production to aiding cell growth and maintaining our vital organs. For instance, vitamin A is essential for good vision, while B vitamins help our bodies convert food into energy. But here's the catch. Our bodies cannot produce most vitamins, so we need to get them from a well-balanced diet. Remember, vitamins are essential for our bodies to function correctly. Before I wrap this up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Your thumbs up encourages us to keep bringing more interesting, challenging, and high-quality videos to everyone. Our channel, Medicine Health 360, is your gateway to crucial and systemic medical and health knowledge. We aim to present it in a simple and understandable manner so everyone can enjoy better health and a better life. We highly value your thoughts and feedback, so feel free to share your comments below. Let's learn and grow together. Have you ever wondered about the role of water-soluble vitamins in your body? Let's dive in, starting with vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid. This vitamin is a powerhouse, playing a key part in collagen synthesis, which is vital for the health of our skin, bones, and connective tissues. Vitamin C also bolsters our immune system and serves as a potent antioxidant, protecting our cells from harmful free radicals. And where can we find this amazing nutrient? Look no further than citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, as well as leafy greens like spinach and kale. Now, let's turn our attention to the B vitamins, a group of 8 distinct vitamins that each play unique roles in our body. These include thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and several others. Collectively, B vitamins are involved in energy metabolism, helping our bodies convert the food we eat into usable energy. They also support nervous system health and play a key role in the formation of red blood cells. To ensure a good intake of B vitamins, incorporate whole grains, legumes, and dairy products into your diet. To sum up, water-soluble vitamins such as vitamin C and the B vitamins are essential for a plethora of bodily functions, from energy production to immune support. By incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich foods into our diets, we can ensure we're getting a good mix of these vital vitamins. So, water-soluble vitamins are a crucial part of our diet. Now, let's talk about fat-soluble vitamins. Do you know what they are? Fat-soluble vitamins are a group of essential nutrients that include vitamins A, D, E, and K. They're called fat-soluble because they dissolve in fat and are stored in the body's tissues. First up is vitamin A, also known as retinol. This powerhouse vitamin is crucial for maintaining healthy vision. It helps your eyes adjust to light changes, keeps the skin and mucous membranes that line your nose, sinuses, and mouth healthy, and plays a critical role in your body's immune function. Foods rich in vitamin A include colorful fruits and vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. Next on the list is vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. It's unique because unlike other vitamins, our bodies can produce it when our skin is exposed to sunlight. Vitamin D is vital for bone health as it helps the body absorb calcium. It also supports immune function and overall well-being. You can get vitamin D from dietary sources like fatty fish, cheese, and egg yolks, but don't forget to soak up some sun too. Vitamin E, or tocopherol, is best known for its antioxidant properties. It protects your cells from oxidative damage, which is caused by substances called free radicals. These free radicals can harm cells, tissues, and organs, and they are believed to play a role in certain conditions related to aging. Good sources of vitamin E include nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. Last but not least, vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. It's a key player in preventing excessive bleeding and helping fractures heal. You can find vitamin K in leafy green vegetables and certain oils. Fat-soluble vitamins are equally important and have unique roles to play. They're essential for maintaining overall health, and a balanced diet is the best way to ensure you're getting enough of these vital nutrients. But what happens when we don't get enough of these vitamins? Well, a deficiency can have serious consequences on our health. Each vitamin has its specific role in the body, and a lack of any one can impact specific organ systems. For instance, a lack of vitamin D can lead to bone abnormalities such as rickets in children or osteoporosis in adults. Similarly, deficiency in vitamin B12 can cause neurological problems and anemia. What's more, vitamin deficiencies are often not immediately noticeable. They can creep up on us, manifesting as fatigue, weak immunity, or other vague symptoms that we may not directly link to our diet. This is why it's so important to detect and treat these deficiencies early, ideally through a blood test. However, the good news is that deficiencies can often be addressed through supplementation, under medical supervision. For instance, if you are found to be low in vitamin B12, your healthcare provider might recommend a B12 supplement, or even injections, if the deficiency is severe. But let's not forget, while supplements can help, they're not a substitute for a healthy, balanced diet. Our bodies are designed to get most vitamins from the food we eat, not from pills. So, the best way to ensure you're getting all the vitamins you need is to eat a diverse diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Remember, a balanced diet is the best way to get all the vitamins we need. So, we've learned a lot about vitamins today, haven't we? Remember, they're critical for our overall health and best obtained through a balanced diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content like this.